Welcome back to English in Action. Today's video is a little different and very fun. We're going to talk about something everyone loves, the weekend.
Yes, weekends are full of stories, maybe relaxing, maybe exciting. And today, I'll tell you about my last weekend. You'll learn how to share your own weekend stories in English, easily and naturally.
And don't just listen. Practice with us. Repeat the sentences, copy the phrases, and make them your own. By the end, you'll be able to tell anyone about your weekend like a native speaker.
All right, let's get started. So, last weekend, I woke up early. Not too early, around 8:30. The sun was shining and the weather was beautiful.
Wow, that sounds nice. What did you do first?
First, I made a big breakfast. I had eggs, bread, and orange juice. I love orange juice in the morning.
Orange juice? Every weekend, right?
Yes, always. After breakfast, I listened to music. Just relaxing, no stress. I listened to some calm songs and enjoyed my morning.
Did you go outside?
Yes. Around 10, I went for a short walk in the park. I saw families, kids playing, and some people walking their dogs. It felt fresh and relaxing.
That's a great way to start the day.
Yes, it was a perfect Saturday morning. Simple, but very nice.
So, Lily, you had a calm morning. What about your afternoon? What did you do?
Oh, my afternoon was busier. After my walk in the park, I came home and I decided to clean my room. It was a mess.
Really? What did you do first?
First, I made my bed. Then I organized my desk. I had books, papers, and some old notebooks everywhere. After I cleaned, my room looked fresh and comfortable.
That sounds good. Cleaning is not fun, but it feels great after, right?
Exactly. After cleaning, I cooked lunch. I made pasta with vegetables. It was simple, but very tasty. I even watched a short cooking video online before starting.
So, you're a chef now.
No, not a chef, but I enjoyed cooking. After lunch, I sat on the sofa and watched a movie.
What movie did you watch?
I watched a comedy. It was funny and light. I like comedies because they help me relax. I laughed a lot.
That's perfect for the weekend.
Yes, it was perfect. Later in the afternoon, I called my best friend. We talked for almost 1 hour. We laughed, shared stories, and made plans for next week. Talking with her made me feel happy and connected.
Friends always make weekends better.
Yes, after that, I read a book for a while, just 20 minutes, but it was peaceful. Then I prepared some tea and went to the balcony to enjoy the sunset. It was beautiful.
Lily, your afternoon sounded busy but fun. What about your evening? Tell us more.
My evening was relaxing. Around 7 p.m., I cooked dinner. I made chicken with vegetables. It was simple, but healthy. While cooking, I listened to music. The music made me happy.
That sounds nice. Did you eat alone or with someone?
I ate with my family. We talked, laughed, and shared stories. My brother told a funny joke. After dinner, we watched TV together. We watched a family show. It was light and fun.
And that's a cozy evening. What did you do after TV?
After TV, I decided to study English for a while. I watched a short English video and repeated some phrases. It was only 20 minutes, but I felt good about it. Learning English every day is important for me.
That's smart. A little practice every day is powerful.
Yes, exactly. After studying, I took a shower, made some tea, and sat near the window. I looked at the night sky. The stars were shining. It was beautiful and peaceful. I just sat quietly for a few minutes.
That sounds so peaceful. A perfect way to end the weekend.
Yes, it was perfect. Finally, around 11 p.m., I went to bed. I was tired, but happy. My weekend was simple, but it gave me energy for the new week.
Thanks for sharing, Lily. Your weekend story gave us many good ideas. Lily, I will ask you some questions about your weekend. Please answer them, okay?
Sure, John. I'm ready.
Number 1. What did you do first on your weekend?
First, I went for a walk in the park near my house. The weather was beautiful. The sun was shining, and the birds were singing. I listened to some music and felt very relaxed.
Number 2. What did you do after your walk?
After the walk, I met my friend in a small cafe. We drank coffee and talked for almost 2 hours. We laughed a lot and shared stories. It was really nice because I don't see her often.
Number 3. Did you try any new food or drink?
Yes, I tried a warm apple pie with ice cream. It was so sweet and delicious. I also drank chamomile tea with honey for the first time. It was amazing.
Number 4. Did you meet anyone else on the weekend?
Yes, I visited my cousin. We cooked chicken with vegetables and rice. After lunch, we watched a funny movie. We laughed so much together.
Number 5. What was the best moment of your weekend?
The best moment was on Sunday evening. I sat in the park and watched the sunset. The sky was orange and pink. It felt so peaceful, and I felt thankful for everything.
Lily, did anything funny or unusual happen during your weekend?
Oh, yes. Something really funny happened, John.
Really? Tell me. I want to know.
Well, on Saturday, I went to the cafe with my friend. We ordered 2 cappuccinos and 2 slices of cake. We had a great time talking and laughing.
Sounds nice. What happened?
When it was time to pay, I put my bank card in the machine, but it didn't work.
Oh no. What did you do?
I tried again, but the machine said card declined. I felt embarrassed. People were waiting behind me.
That's a little scary.
Yes! So I looked at my friend and said, "Can you help me?" She laughed and said, "Don't worry, I got this." She paid with cash.
That's a good friend.
Yes, she is. I said, "I owe you one." She laughed and said, "Next time, coffee is on you."
And what did you do then?
After that, we laughed even more. We joked about me washing dishes in the cafe to pay for the coffee.
That would be funny.
Yes, but I promised my friend that next time I will bring extra cash, just in case.
That's a good lesson, Lily.
Yes, always check your card before going to a cafe.
If you are still here, wow, that's special. You are not just watching a video, you are taking real action to improve your English.
Yes, and we see you. We know it's not always easy to practice every day, but you are here, learning step by step. That's amazing.
Remember, mistakes are okay. Every time you practice, you get better. Don't stop. Keep going.
And think about this. Every word you learn brings you closer to speaking like a native. So today, you made progress. Be proud of yourself.
Now, let's make a deal. If you learned even one new thing today, give this video a like.
And subscribe to our channel, English in Action, so you don't miss the next lesson.
Don't forget the little bell, ding ding, so YouTube tells you when the new video is ready.
And we want to hear from you. Write in the comments, what did you do last weekend? Or maybe, what new English word did you learn today?
We'll read your comments and maybe even share them in the next video.
Thank you for being here with us until the end. You are part of our English in Action family now.